This is Sensor Studio with the latest on the Middle East war. In Isfahan, Iran, black smoke fills the area after Israeli airstrikes, which targeted a missile engine factory and internal security forces headquarters. This is Bahrain. An Iranian drone directly attacked the facilities of Bahrain Petroleum Company, causing a large fire. This is the moment when a fire broke out in the fuel tank of Bapco Energy Company, which was attacked by Iranian drones. Also in Bahrain, the most important refinery is called Bapco. This refinery processes 267,000 barrels per day and is a major fuel supplier for the US Fifth Fleet, but Iran attacked it. According to a report by the New York Times, Ukraine is sending drone experts to help protect the US military base stationed in Jordan. Is this the first case of Ukraine providing military assistance to the US since the Ukraine war? The US Air Force has announced that it will increase the production rate of the B-21 bomber by 25%. Israel expects that this war will last at least another month. Iran's President Masoud Pezeshkian had a phone call with Azerbaijan's President Ilham Aliyev amid rising regional tensions. President Pezeshkian thanked President Aliyev for visiting the Iranian embassy in Azerbaijan to offer condolences for the loss of civilians and Iran's supreme leader Ali Khamenei. He also thanked Azerbaijan for expressing its willingness to provide humanitarian aid to Iran, according to a report by Caspian Post citing local media. The Iranian Ministry of Justice announced on state TV IRIB that Iranians abroad who assist or support the enemy will have their property confiscated under the law. The Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps pledged allegiance to Iran's new supreme leader, Mojtaba Khamenei, as China opposed actions against Iran's new leader. The Ministry of Defense of Turkey announced that considering recent changes in the situation in our region, it has deployed 6 F-16 fighter jets and air defense systems to northern Cyprus, which is attempting to secede. Bapco, Bahrain's energy company, has declared force majeure on its operations, state media reports. A force majeure clause is a provision that exempts a party from liability for failing to fulfill supply obligations if the failure is due to events beyond the party's control. The South Korean government will impose an oil price cap for the first time since 1997 to stabilize prices amid the war. Kim Yong-byum, presidential policy secretary, announced Monday that Seoul plans to introduce a consumption cap this week. The G7 is scheduled to discuss releasing oil reserves. If there is further news, I will make a video and upload it. That concludes the video. Thank you.